Hello everyone, welcome back to Technish. So today we will be discussing what's the current trending that's happening in the market due to the AI advancements. So the people are talking about whether software engineers are going to be obsolete or not. So that's what we will discuss, and I'll give my personal opinions regarding what is the ongoing market that is happening. So let's get jumped in. So the first thing is we are backend engineers. So let me tell you what is my background experience. So I am currently working in a retail giant, US retail giant. My previous background is basically focused on product and R&D. That I personally use Java, Python, Kotlin, and other frameworks, databases, clouds, and other stuff. So the thing is, in the market, as you can see, there are a lot of new AI tools that is coming. So these AI tools are nothing but, as you already know, that is ChatGPT, Copilot. So these are the productivity boosters that you are getting. So what is this productivity booster? So like whatever code you used to do in you have been given a feature, and you have estimated the feature to be completed within 5 days. So now with the help of AI, your productivity can be increased 100%. So that, it's like 100x. So in one day you would be able to define your, if you are able to do it properly, then you can define your you can take suggestions from the AI. You can give you can do a problem solving, and with the help of AI. And after that, the coding is you can get it's very easy. Like in one day your productivity will be 100x. The way you used to do that, the entire work is suppose 2 weeks, you can do that in 2 days maybe. That's the kind of productivity that we are currently discussing, that the software engineers that are experiencing this kind of productivity due to AI advancements. So there is a perception that is going in the market that whether the software engineers are going to be obsolete, or this job, whether that will be required in the future or not, and what kind of things that a software engineer will have to face. So the first thing I'll tell you, that is, so from the don't panic. The first thing is, whenever you do, a person's biggest mistake is always predict the future. So don't try to predict the future. So whatever it's coming, you will eventually get into it. So if you're not using, suppose you're not using ChatGPT or Copilot, so it doesn't matter. You will eventually experience the same, and your organizations will enable the same for you. So these things first, that many industry leaders that are saying that the AI is going to replace the software engineers and all. They are trying to, so the thing is, they are trying to do the cost cutting, and they want to increase the share values. That's a part that's an observation that we are seeing in from the last 2 years, because whenever they do a job cuts, there is an increase in their stock prices. That's a very interesting observations that we have gone. And the thing is, and we have also seen several things. Okay, so suppose let's take a step forward. Let's take a step backward. So where we used to get a requirement, and there was a different kind of software development model that we used to work on, where we define some of the requirements, and after that we do for system design, the problem statement design, and the things that we are trying to solve, and after that we go to coding, after that we go to testing, and after that we go to maintenance. That's the overall structure of the overall software development process that we had gone through in the past. So these things has been rapidly changed, and there has been changed AI. With the AI, these things is going to change more. Okay, so the thing is, people are wondering that if a person's job or the productivity is increased, okay, in those cases, will the software engineers will be less required? Okay, the thing is, it's true. If a person's productivity is increased, and your work is not getting increased, then then there would be a requirement of software engineers will be less. Okay, that's true. But the thing is, we have not seen that in the past. What we have seen is, like, whenever there is a technology disruptions, we have seen that work is also incrementally increasing. It's not like, so suppose you were working, think about it like a 5 years ago, the kind of work pressure you have and the kind of work pressure you have now, it's incrementally, it's phenomenal. Currently you are working 12 hours, 14 hours in a day. You have huge responsibilities, huge deliverables that you have to give. So with the time, as you can see, that the work and the deliverables have increased also. That's one of the major observations that I got. And the thing is, whatever I have seen, if the productivity is increased and if the productivity increases and the work is also increases, in those cases the AI engineers will again be required and the people will be required, which I feel it's a positive sign. So, but there are still downsides that we are seeing, because currently there is not much work path that has been defined, because all are speculating on the social media informations and the other LinkedIn talks. Okay, so whatever I think is that if the work is increased, the kind of definition of work is changed and increased, in those cases that, and any software engineers will be required. As you can see, there are many persons. So Salesforce just said that they don't require software engineers, but they are still hiring software engineers. You can check the LinkedIn, you can check their websites. They're heavily hiring the software engineers. If you can check the ChatGPT also, that is the parent is OpenAI. So if you can see that the parent OpenAI is also hiring software engineers with a heavy salaries. So why are this giving salaries? But definitely, if the work is increased, the software engineering jobs, definitely the thing is the overall job profile is going to be changing. It is rapidly changing and it will change. But if the work increases, there would be incremental number of software engineering jobs that will be added as well. If due to this AI advancements, new companies gets created, there would be jobs as well. So I would suggest, don't panic right now. We will see in the in later how it is being shaping, because there will be a lot of new models coming in due to the advancements are happening. You check any other new models from the ChatGPT, it can solve astronomical good problems. They're getting it for $1,200 per month. Okay, so there are still new models coming in. There would be requirements for the new roles. That's what I think. And in the future, we will still look at what the industry leaders are saying and how the people are approaching the new software engineering jobs. That we'll also see. So for the time being, this is my opinion, and I will in the next video I'll just tell you what are the new kind of jobs in future that might get created, because we have got some heads up from the industry leaders like Andrew Nong and the other persons from like Mark Zuckerberg and other industry leaders who have already given us some of the insights that what's going to happen in the future. So what kind of roles they're looking for and what kind of skills they're looking for. In those cases, I will discuss some of the job profiles which I think that is going to be created in future. So I will discuss that in the next video. Till the time, don't speculate and don't panic. We will see in the next video that what are the possible future roles that can come in. For the time being, stay tuned, subscribe to Technish, like this video, share this video, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Okay, thank you, bye.